Hi everyone, welcome to Tina's Yummy Bites, and thank you so much for all the subscribers who have subscribed to my channel and encouraged me till date. And today, as a special request of one of my friend, I'm sharing you the recipe of a chicken curry, which is Kerala style, Kerala chicken curry style. So let's begin up with the recipe, and please do share, like and comment, and as well as if you are the new subscriber, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Let's move on to the ingredients. Chicken, onion 3 large, curry leaves, ginger, garlic and chilies. Now we have taken 700 grams of chicken clean, and let's add the ingredients for marination. All 1 teaspoon salt as per taste, red chili powder, little turmeric, coriander powder, and let's mix this first, then we will add garam masala. Nicely we need to churn it out so that the masala gets inside the chicken. Now let's add garam masala 1 teaspoon and again mix it well. This is help the chickens to be marinated. Cover it with the lid and rest it for 15 to 20 minutes. Take the pan, put 4 tablespoons of oil. Let it get heated. Check with your palms at the top so that you can know about its heat. It's getting heat. Half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it crackle. It's about to get crackled. Now add half teaspoon of jeera, large onions 3 which are finely chopped. Let's saute it. We need till light brown color, not too dark brown color, it's light color. We need to saute it. I'm adding pinch of salt so that it may the water may come out of it fast and our onions will be sauteed fast. Now it started becoming light brown, as you can see. Added curry leaves. Saute it for a second. Add ginger and garlic. As well as the green chilies. And saute it nicely till all the ingredients get mixed up very nicely and the oil separates from the pan. The oil has already separated from the pan. Added pinch of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili, 2 spoons of coriander, and black pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Saute it very nicely. We need to saute it till the oil gets separate from this masala and the masalas are all been roasted very nicely and the aroma comes out from the pan. Add a little bit of water so that it may be cooked And as soon as the oil separates, our gravy is ready with all kinds of masalas mixed very nicely, and it has been cooked very nicely. So we will wait till our masalas are being separated with the oils. At least 4 to 5 minutes it will require. See, the oils get separated. It's on the top. Now it's a time for placing our marinated chicken inside the pan. This is a Kerala style recipe, so it's very easy to make, and as well as it's very spicy, very yummy. The one who is spicy lovers, they will love this curry, and the one who are not so spicy, they do not prefer so spicy, can reduce the amount of the masalas which I have taken. A little bit water, only 2 tablespoons, that's it, because the chicken itself will release some water. Cover the lid and let it cook, and see, the oil has been separated on the top. And let's taste it first, whether the masalas and the salt has been enough. I think I'll add half teaspoon of garam masala, and I'll cover it for only 2 to 3 minutes. And then our Kerala style chicken curry will be ready. Serve it hot with parathas, chapati, naan, bread, or rice, plain rice, or either fried rice, anything. That will be yum. It will go super. Thank you for watching.